What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys have been suggesting me on social media that I should go ahead and get a metal pedal set for my car. In today's video, I'm going to be doing exactly that. So this is everything that came with the kit. It comes with the rest pedal, the gas pedal, and the brake, and then obviously depends if you go for an automatic or a manual version. And then it also came with these screws in the packaging, except this one. This is my own screw. You're definitely also going to need a screwdriver or a drill that has a Phillips head on it, and a drill bit that's basically the slightest bit wider than the bolts that come provided in the kit. So with all that being said, let's just go ahead and get these puppies installed. So basically first what I went ahead and did is that I just moved the mat out of the way and just tucked it under the seat a little bit. And then I also went ahead and cleaned up the gas pedal and then the footrest area. So next what you want to do is remove the cover that's on the brake pedal. So this is literally just like a rubber cover that you should be able to just like take off just with hand power. Yep, just like that. Came off. All right, so now I just went ahead and did a quick test fit, and honestly I do think I'm actually preferring the look of the OEM M style footrest over the one I picked up, just because this one looks a bit too thick, and when I put it on, see how the top kind of just like looks weird like that? It just looks too tacky and like stuck on. So I think I'm actually just going to go ahead and just not use this one, and then I'm only going to go for the gas pedal and the brake pedal. So for the gas pedal, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Phillips screws that came in the kit. And then basically I'm just going to line it up and screw it on. It's pretty straightforward. Alright guys, so I just screwed up and buttoned down the gas pedal, and so far it does look pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results. So now we have to move on to the brake pedal. So basically for the brake pedal, we're just going to be lining it up, and then we're going to drill 4 holes on each side, exactly where the holes over here would be, and then we can just stick the nut through and just bolt it in from the other side. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and did that. It's loosely on. But one thing you do want to keep in mind is that this brake pedal is metal. It's not plastic like the gas pedal is. So you're going to need a drill bit that's specially designed for metal. So now after that, I'm going to go ahead and hold the nut from behind, so it stays nice and still at the same time as I'm holding it, I'm screwing it in with the Allen key. Alright guys, so after you tighten up the bolts, that's basically how it should look. And then you're basically done the installation now. And one thing I am noticing, if you look at it at a fairly extreme angle, honestly you'll never notice it if you're looking at it from like a normal perspective, but if you go down low and you look at it from the side, you can't see the bolts sticking out from the back a little bit. You could cut the bolts, but honestly like I feel like it's pretty unnecessary, as you really won't see it in any like day-to-day normal use. So after all that, I'm just going to clean up the mess I made, and then we're done the install. Alright guys, so after watching the install, what do you guys think? Honestly, for like 15-20 bucks, you can't really go wrong. It does definitely make the interior of the car look much better and much more clean and just like a bit more sporty. The only annoying part I'd say is that the material of the brake pedal in the E46s is made out of metal, so drilling a hole through it, you are going to need a specialized drill bit that's meant for metal, and it just takes a bit more work and time, but honestly at the end it was still pretty easy and it came out pretty good. Another thing is that if you guys are actually considering picking this kit up, there's actually also a different kit you can get that's basically just slip-on metal pedals. You don't have to drill into your pedals at all to make them work. They basically just have like these rubber behinds that slip around your pedal, and you just slip it on and then it just fits, and that's it, you're good to go. And I'll link this kit and the link I'm talking about right now both in the description below for you guys who are interested. So after all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you can just leave them down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you guys want to see more of my car, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it on the page right here somewhere. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Try path on the right side, put it up in your mind. But do you ever try to